Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Crosstrek headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. It's important to ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. We'll cover accessing the bulb, carefully replacing it, and then putting everything back together. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic, taking about 15 to 20 minutes per side. To begin, open your Subaru Crosstrek's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely see an air intake duct that partially obstructs access. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove any plastic clips or screws holding this duct in place. Gently push or move the duct out of the way. This creates enough space to comfortably reach the headlight bulb housing, which is crucial for the next step of the replacement process. Now that you have access, carefully twist the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb counterclockwise to disconnect it. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb itself and twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the headlight housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H11 bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector by pushing it onto the bulb's base and twisting it clockwise until it clicks. Carefully reposition the air intake duct back into its original location, securing it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Finally, close the hood and turn on your Subaru Crosstrek's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This ensures your vehicle is safe and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.